The Sawback is still available from GMADE. I don't think the sport version is available anymore from GMADE, but you can still get the sport parts. And the sport parts. Hey guys, welcome to Revolution XRC, and today we're going to start a new build. Now, I've wanted to build a leaf spring rig for a while now, and I picked up this GMADE Sawback Sport a few years ago, but I've never gotten around to building it. While the Sawback is still available from GMADE, I don't think the sport version is available anymore from GMADE, but you can still get the sport parts. And the sport parts, I think, if I remember correctly, were just a few differences in the cage or some of the body details, but other than that, the chassis should be pretty much the same as the regular Sawback. So before we get to start building this kit, we'll just take a look and do a little unboxing. So here we've got the box with the nice box art. I actually really like the box art on this one. Some of the features, these are the axles right here. Here you go with the frame. You can see it's got the leaf springs. There, a few leaf springs for adjustability. Let's look at the top here. So it does come with some of these nice details like the light buckets. It does come with the ability to hook up lights, LED lights. These are the wheels and tires that come with it. They're bead locks. They're plastic, but they're bead locks. And this is probably one of the parts where I think is limited to the sport, where it comes with these roll bars and these light buckets, or the LED bar for this roll bar. The other versions do come with a variation of this roll bar, but they don't come with the LED light bar. Adjustable battery plate. The receiver box is I guess poses as the motor. And the transmission, which is pretty much the same transmission in all these Sawbacks. Take a look at the side of the box. Kind of hard to show this. Let me see if I can get you a better view. There, that might be better. Here's some dimensions of the Sawback. And it's a 287mm wheelbase rig. So it is a short wheelbase. And let's get around to opening it. I don't think I've even broken the seal on this yet. Alright, let's see what we got here. Here's the manual, as well as decals. The seats right here. Steering wheel and the windshield. Here's part of the cage. See the light buckets right there. Some of the little spotlights. Small details. So here you see the receiver box slash motor cover or slash scale motor. Got the skid plate right here. These are the frame rails. Alright, we got the diffs and the axles there, axle housings and diffs. The leaf springs. So this should be interesting. It'll still be technically my first leaf spring rig. I do have an RC4WD Blazer, but I have not run it yet. I wanted to build this first. So this will be definitely different for me. These are the shocks. Transmission. Now the gears are plastic, but I've never had an issue with them. I do believe GMADE does make metal gears, but this is the kind of rig that you're not going to overpower. I mean, you're going to probably keep it pretty light. So I have a Sawback 4LS as well, and those gears have held up fine. So bead locks right here, plastic bead locks. They look pretty nice. I wonder if brass rings would fit on this. Might. Oh, let's look at this first. Here's the sawback body, which is pretty much standard for all these sawbacks. And here you've got the GMADE MT1902 tires. So kind of cool scale looking tread. Compound feels pretty decent. I might run them. I mean, it's going to be more of a trail rig than a hardcore crawler, so I think these tires will do just fine. And that's about it. Thanks for watching this unboxing of the GMADE Sawback Sport. I can't wait to get this build started and to get my first leaf spring rig running. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future updates on this GMADE Sawback Sport build. Thanks for watching.